Good afternoon, students. Today we are seeing financial planning problem set. Already all methods we seen in Google Meet lecture. Now we are going to problem set. Here problem set sum number 2. A dealer has given 10% discount on a showpiece of rupees 25,000. GST of 28% was charged on discounted price. Find the total amount shown in the tax invoice and what is the amount of CGST and SGST. Here 10% discount on showpiece price 25,000 means price is given on it 10% discount and then GST 28% charge. We want to calculate here CGST and SGST. Printed price of showpiece is 25,000. Discount 10% is shown. Then you want to calculate first the discount. 10% of 25,000 means 10 upon 100 into 25,000, that is rupees 2,500. Then what is the taxable price, taxable value? We want to subtract this 2,500 from 25,000, then you will get 22,500 is the taxable value. Now on taxable value we are calculating 28% GST. Then 28% of 22,500 is amount of GST, means 28 upon 100 into 22,500. Again when you divide 0 cancel and 28 into 2,225 means you get 6,300. Now 6,300 is the amount of GST, but we want to calculate CGST and SGST. Now they are showing us find the total amount also. Then first we will calculate purchase price of showpiece. How you will purchase there? For that what is the taxable value? In that you want to add the GST. That is here 22,500 plus 6,300 means you will get 28,800. Means the total amount of the showpiece in the tax invoice is rupees 28,800. Now we want to calculate CGST and SGST. You know that CGST and SGST is half of the GST. Our GST value is 6,300. Then half of 6,300 means 3,150 is the amount of CGST and SGST there. Means properly step by step you want to solve the sum. See now sum number 3. A ready-made garment shopkeeper gives 5% discount on the dress of rupees 1000 and charges 5% GST. The remaining amount, then what is the purchase price of the dress of the customer? Like same type of the sum of last sum. First here printed price 1000. On that calculate 5% discount means 5% of 1000 means 50 rupees. Then taxable value is 1000 rupees, from that 50 rupees subtracted means 950 rupees. Now on 950 rupees 5% is GST. That is amount of GST of dress is 5% of 950 means you get 47.50 rupees. Now purchase price how to calculate? Taxable value plus amount of GST. Taxable value is 950 plus 47.50 means 997.50. Here they ask only the purchase price, and purchase price means here 997.50 is the purchase price of the dress. Now sum number 4. A trader for Surat, Gujarat sold cotton clothes to a trader in Rajkot, Gujarat. Means same state, Surat, Gujarat to Rajkot, Gujarat. The taxable value of cotton clothes is rupees 2.5 lakhs. What is the amount of GST at 5% paid by the trader in Rajkot? Taxable value given 2.5 lakhs means 2,50,000. Rate of GST is 5%. Therefore, 5% of 2,50,000 when you calculate, it is 12,500. Therefore, amount of GST paid by the trader is rupees 12,500. Sum number 5. Srimati Malhotra purchased solar panels for the taxable value of rupees 85,000. She sold them for rupees 90,000. The rate of GST is 5%. Then find the ITC of Srimati Malhotra. What is the amount of GST payable by her? Taxable purchase value of solar panel is 85,000. What is the rate of GST given? 5%. Then input tax credit means 5% of the taxable value. That is 5% of 85,000, 4,250. 50. But what is the selling price? 90,000. Then selling price of the solar panel 90,000, on that it is selling, means we are calculating output tax. Then 5% of 90,000 means 4,500. Here input tax credit is 4,250. Output tax credit is 4,500. Then now when we want to calculate amount of GST payable, means output tax minus input tax credit. Therefore 4,500 minus 4,250, that is rupees 250, is the tax paid by Malhotra here, and the input tax credit. Are you understanding? You calculate input tax credit, you calculate output tax, and then take subtraction of output tax minus input tax, means you will get amount of GST. Now sum number 6. A company provided Z security services for the taxable value of rupees 64,500. Rate of GST is 18%. Company had paid GST of rupees 1,550 for laundry services and uniforms, etc. What is the amount of ITC, means input tax credit? Find the amount of CGST and SGST. Here two questions they ask. First, input tax credit is equal to GST paid by company for laundry service and uniform, etc. That is 1,550. Taxable value 64,500. Then rate of GST is 18%. Now you want to calculate first output tax. Then output tax means what? Taxable value multiplied by rate of GST. That is 64,500 multiplied by 18 upon 100. You will get 11,610. Then what is the GST payable? Output tax minus input tax credit. Output tax we have 11,610 and input tax credit is 1,550. When you subtract it, then here GST payable is 10,060 rupees. Now CGST and SGST is half of the GST, that is GST payable upon 2. 10,060 upon 2 means you will get rupees 5,030. Therefore, the amount of CGST payable by the company in is rupees 5,030 and SGST also payable by the company is 5,030. Are you understanding here? First 5 sums are given. Question 1 is your homework. It is the objective question. And next question 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are given here. You understand it and copy down in your notebook.